Hi, lightning fast robots. Are you excited for this season of LEGO League? We're about ready to start with LEGO League Explorer. This season is Playmakers. So we have our engineering notebooks and we have our Explore set, and we're going to unbox it today to see what's inside. So for our first meeting, we'll talk about the core values. We'll start with discovery, where we explore new ideas and new skills. And so I thought it'd be fun to, as part of exploring new things, open this up and discover what is inside this season's kit. So this is the Playmakers Explore set. And we're going to be starting with this package here, package number 4. We'll be using that today in the first session. Package number 4 there as well. Another one. We have package number 1. So each of these packages corresponds to a different project that we're going to do. So we'll explore a challenge each time. Here's some build plates. So each LEGO League participant gets a build plate to build their challenge on. Number 3, this is number 4, number 2, and number 4. Great, so that's everything in the box. So we're going to be doing a bunch of different challenges, different games, different ideas, different designs, and we'll be using these different kits, starting with package number 4. So it looks like there's a lot of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these bags. And we'll go through the engineering notebook starting here at the beginning. So we'll understand a little bit more about the challenge. Then we'll learn about the core values that we learn with first. The first one being discovery, and then we'll explore, create, test, and share what we build. And then we'll create a team model, and we'll build a poster, and we'll celebrate at the end of the season with a festival where adults and parents and coaches can all come together and see what you've created. So looking forward to this season together. We plan to have 12 different sessions to prepare for that festival. And we'll meet weekly over Zoom. And if you're comfortable coming in person, here at our home. So looking forward to doing this season together. All right, see you soon.